If the idea of feeding your dog raw eggs and whole fish makes your stomach turn, you ain't alone. I spent months completely turned off by the raw diet trend specifically because of that. But trying to keep Milo, my French bulldog, fueled with the best possible ingredients eventually led me to WeFeed Raw. And the good news, this does not look like a science experiment. It resembles standard ground beef or pork. Nothing is looking up at you from the food bowl. In this video, we're putting WeFeed Raw under the microscope. I'm gonna walk you through their protein lineup, what it's actually gonna cost you, and how they stack up against competition so you can decide if it's worth pulling the trigger. Just a heads up, I have included an affiliate link for them in the description. Using it does earn us a commission and helps the channel, which is genuinely appreciated. But obviously, I'm giving you the whole honest breakdown here. I want you to decide whether this is worth it for your own dog yourself. So what is WeFeed Raw? Well, it's a subscription-based pet health brand. Offers raw meal plans for dogs. It's high quality ingredients and the food is minimally processed. Meals are formulated by animal nutritionists who are experienced specifically in raw feeding. They're based out of South Carolina. They'll deliver to basically any state in the lower 48. There's both one-time orders and subscription plans, as well as a bulk option. All right, so WeFeed Raw offers 5 different protein options. There's chicken, turkey, beef, duck, and lamb. Each protein is mixed with a different blend of vitamins and minerals. Now, if you're anything like me, you're probably wondering, how is raw food safe? There are so many warnings about eating raw or undercooked food. WeFeed Raw has considered all that, okay? There's an article in the FAQ about the HPP process. I ain't getting into the nitty gritty. I am not a chemist by any stretch, but in a basic nutshell, it's called high pressure processing, which uses high pressure water to eliminate foodborne bacteria like E. coli and salmonella. They do also mention that all raw pet food companies go through some bacteria reducing process that's actually enforced by the FDA. So while animals may be able to process bacteria in a way people can't, WeFeed Raw does ensure that the product is safe for your dog. All right, so what does it cost? Well, before we get into price, I do want to mention the prices that you'll see are based on my own dog, Milo. The only way to know what the cost will be for your own dog is by completing the quiz online. So the cheapest option here is going half raw. The cost for Milo was a little over $19 per week for the first 2 weeks, but to make a total switch, the cost would be a little under $30 a week for the first 2 weeks. By the way, I want to throw this out there, depending on when you watch this, prices may change, proteins may change, WeFeed Raw in general may change. I always recommend checking them out for yourself. If you want to, the affiliate link in the description will take you directly there, and it doesn't cost you anything extra, but we earn a commission, which helps out the channel. Now, let's get into their customer service a bit because there are actually 3 ways to reach out to the folks at WeFeed Raw. There's a contact form, there's a chat, and the phone line. They do list their hours as 9 to 5 EST, including weekends, which is nice if you run a similar schedule during the week. Their website, very easy to navigate. Their FAQs are separated by categories. There are different articles in each category. They list the articles, and there's also a search bar that makes everything easy to find. So it's a little different than how competitors set things up, but it gets the job done. I do not have any complaints on this end. As for any refunds or returns, it's a solid no, unless it was an accident on the part of WeFeed Raw or a problem in shipping. They're very clear about that on their website. Shipping is always free to the lower 48, and the packaging is eco-friendly, it's biodegradable, you can throw it in a compost bin if you want. They are super unique actually in offering a bulk ordering option as well. It's a great option if you have either a large dog or a whole suite of dogs. I don't blame you. I've never seen other fresh providers do that at all, so that does set them apart. One con I will definitely say is the shipments are fulfilled every 5 weeks. And that can be a lot of food, especially if you got a big dog or multiple dogs coming in all at once. You gotta plan that carefully to make sure you have enough space in your freezer. So one last thing that I do want to mention, there are obviously competitors to WeFeed Raw. If you're watching review videos, chances are you're aware of this as well. Personally, I can't scroll through Facebook anymore without being reminded that there are multiple companies out there claiming their food options are the best. Well, while new companies are popping up every year, one I see most frequently is the Farmer's Dog. And while the Farmer's Dog's meals aren't raw, their business model, I guess you could say, is very similar. In terms of meal quality, both companies are known for producing quality products, natural fresh ingredients, meeting required standards. While the Farmer's Dog doesn't really offer variations in their meal plans, WeFeed Raw does. There's different percentages of raw food you can incorporate into your pet's diet, your choices being that 50%, 75%, or fully 100%. The pricing is a little different as well. well. The first week of fresh food with the farmer's dog would run around $17 for the first week. Again, this is for Milo, while the first week with WeFeed Raw would be around $27. Well, we made it to the end of our raw dog food journey for this video. In terms of growth and popularity of raw dog food, we're just getting started. The quality of the product and the improvement it's made in pups of all ages makes WeFeed Raw basically priceless in my book. But that's about all for today. As a reminder, if you want to check it out for yourself, the affiliate link is in the description. It earns a commission, it helps the channel. And if you're a brand yourself and you'd like to work with us or sponsor a future video, please reach out using the email that I'll also leave down in the description. And feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'll try my hardest to get back to them as soon as I can. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.